Mike.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, a time has come as a godly nation to make decisions that will impact positively on the lives of the 55 million plus Kenyans. Today, Honorable Speaker, I stand here to vote and support the Finance Bill 2024 so that the people of Nyaribari Chache and the people of Kenya can get infrastructural projects, electricity, water, and much more. Honorable Speaker, I want to urge the Generation Z to relax, as Kenya Kwanza government means well, and they will be the greatest beneficiaries of the proposed amendments. Honorable Speaker, the Generation Z are young Democrats trying to exercise their constitutional rights to picket and assemble. I am urging the Inspector General of Police, Honorable Speaker, to treat them humanly and provide them with maximum security. Honorable Speaker, the Finance Bill 2024 proposes an export and investment promotion levy with the goal of encouraging consumers to purchase locally produced alternatives, thereby supporting domestic manufacturers.
Caleb Luyali.
Thank you, Speaker. Finally, I got a chance. Mr. Speaker, I use only 1 minute to say we reject this finance bill, we reject the report of the committee on the finance bill. Mr. Speaker, a German social constructivist once said, Alexander Wendt, he once said that anarchy is what the states make of it. Mr. Speaker, this government